Hi everyone, it's me again, Annalyn Guido. Today's topic is decimal. The word decimal comes from the Latin word decima, meaning tenth part. Although we are using different notation, we are still considering the non-negative rational numbers. Nowadays, money takes very big role in our day-to-day living, such as buying basic necessities like food and clothing, and payment for transportation fares, cell phone loads, computer rentals, and electric consumption, and others. As 2014, the minimum daily wage of an employee in Metro Manila is 466. This amount will then get deduction from tax, PhilHealth, and SSS contribution, and sometimes even loans. Indeed, every centavo counts, and in order to survive in this challenging world, smart budgeting of our earnings is needed. The idea of budgeting becomes vital, and it's highly imperative that we give importance to every centavo that we earn. This chapter focuses on decimals, which included the four basic operations and their application to the real world. In performing the task, so for example, we have this problem. Miss Cruz asks her two pupils to write on the board the proper way of reading the decimal number 35.008. The two pupils gave their answer as shown below. So Rachel's answer is 35 and 8 thousandths, while Wally's answer is 35 by 8,000. Who do you think has the correct answer? Let's find out. To answer the question, let us use the place value chart to represent the decimal number properly. So we have the whole numbers and the other part is decimal part. So a decimal point separates the whole number and the decimal part of the decimal number. It is read as n. Thus, the decimal number 35.008 is read as 35 and 8,000. Therefore, among the two pupils, Rachel gave the correct answer. So still, the word decimal comes from the Latin word decima, meaning tenth part. So in chemistry, the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.007924. Let us use the place value chart to read and understand this decimal number. So we have the digit 1.007994. That represents for the ones. And of course, the decimal point which separate the whole numbers in the decimal part. We have the tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and 100,000s. As you can see, we have 1 over 10. The denominators there, and we have 0, represent the number of place. So we have tens, 1 0, hundreds, 2 zeros, 1,000, 3 zeros, 10,000, 4 zeros, and 100,000 as 5 zeros. Okay, let's consider this fact. Use the place value chart to find the value of each digit of the atomic mass. So we have the digit, the place, and then the value. The digit is given, and we have to interpret it for the place. So we have the ones, the tens, the hundreds. So the value is, the decimal notation is 1.00794 means 1, the digit, multiplied to the place. So 1 times 1 is 1. So another digit is 0. 0 times 0.1 is 0. Next, 0 times 0.01 equals 0. 7 times 0.001 is equal to 0.007. 9 times 0.001 is equal to 0.009. And 4 times 0.001 is equal to 0.004. So we are going to align all those decimal point to add. So this is read as 1 and 7,904 100,000. The first line or the decimal notation is what we call the standard form, and the portion which has an expanded form is what we call the expanded form. So that's all for today. So the quotes for today is math can be related to our lives. It teaches us to always be careful with the sign. Thank you very much and God bless.